Hi dear students, today I am going to teach about the extraction of metals from its ore. How can we extract the metals from its ore? Here in previous classes already we have discussed about the what is the metal activity series. Okay, here metal activity series divided into three parts, that is nothing but what high reactive elements, moderate reactive elements as well as what low reactive elements. That is completed. But here extraction of metal from its ore. How can we get the metals from its ores? How can we get the high reactive metals from its ore? How can we get the moderate reactive elements from its ore? As well as how can we get the low reactive elements from its ore? Such kind of the things we are going to see today. That is, first this is nothing but what diagram. Okay, which will show how can we extract the metal from its ore. First one is nothing but what ore. Ore is nothing but already previous classes already we have discussed about the what ore. Ore can be defined as the mineral from which the metal is extracted without economical loss, that is said to be what ore. Suppose ore is the mineral from which, suppose NaCl is nothing but what one mineral. Okay, here from this what we are doing, we are extracting the what is sodium metal. Okay, where it is available in NaCl, MgCl, like that. These are present in the what oceans or earth crust or like that. Okay, the mineral from its metal is extracted from the mineral. Okay, without any economical loss, that is said to be what ore. Here the extraction of metals from its ore based on the what four steps. The first one is nothing but what first, second and third and fourth steps are there. Okay, here first one is what grinding of ore. Grinding of ore. Next one is what concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. Next one is what concentration of ore. Grinding of ore as well as what concentration of ore. Here suppose what is the grinding of ore. Okay, here suppose grinding of ore means suppose the ore may be available in the form of what big particles. Okay, in that grinding of ore, that ore can be divided into what number of small particles. Okay, that is said to be what grinding ore. Means the ore that will consist of impurities as well as what ore particles are there. Those can be divided into what a number of lakhs of small parts. That is said to be what grinding of ore. Next one is what is the concentration of ore. Concentration or dressing of ore. Dressing of ore. Concentration and dressing of ore. Here what we have to do means concentration or dressing of ore. Here then we need to what purifying the metal. Purify the dressing. Dressing means what here then the ore which will consist of different types of the ores are there. Those can be what divided from the what its ore. That is said to be what dressing. Yeah, okay. Next class we will discuss about this one. Now today ore that is nothing but what concentration of ore. Here in this concentration of ore, four methods are there. First one is what hand picking. Next one is what the fourth flotation. Next one is what magnetic separation. Next one is what washing. These are the four methods included to the what concentration of ore. Means how can we concentrate? How can we dress the ore? Means here four methods are there. Hand picking means already you know about this is nothing but hand picking is a type of physical method. In this method, what we have to do means ore particles are there now. Ore particles as well as what metal particles. Ore particles as well as what impurities. Okay. In this ore which will consist of impurities, but ore is having the smaller size or bigger size than impurities. Impurities also maybe smaller size or bigger size than what ore particles. Then color also may be what different. The ore also in different color, impurities also are having what different in color. Then we have to divide easily with the help of what hand. Okay, these ore particles as well as impurity particles are divided. Okay, divided with the help of hand. That process is said to be what hand picking. In this hand picking, what we are doing means we are just separating the ore particles as well as what impurity particles. That is about what hand picking. Next one is what washing. What is the washing means? Then in this washing, just we have to wash them. Means these ore particles are there. These can be divided into very small parts, lack of particles. These are kept under the water. kept under the water. What happened means this impurities are flows out. Impurities are flows out, and remaining what is there? Ore particles are left behind in that water device. That is said to be what? Washing. In this washing, just we are washing the ore. Okay. Then the impurity particles are left out. Next one is what? Froth flotation. What is the froth flotation? Can be defined as, in this froth flotation, this ore particles as well as impurity particles are having the different wet property. Then you have to kept under the ore in a water. Kept under the water. What happened means here froth flotation. Froth flotation is a process. These are belongs to what? Sulfide ores. Okay, in which here ore particles as well as what impurity particles are having the different properties. Here the ore particles are floated on the ore particles deposited on the surface, and the impurities particles are what left behind the water device, means which will reaches the water bottom of the beaker or anything, but metal particle ore particles which are reaches the water surface of the water device. This is said to be what? Froth flotation. Next one is nothing but what? Magnetic separation. What is the magnetic separation? In this, magnetic separation is a process in which just we have to divide the non-magnetic substances as well as magnetic substances with the help of what? Electromagnets. This is nothing but what? Magnetic separation. These are the four methods which are included to the water concentration of ore. Next, come to the water extraction of crude metals from its ore. How can we extract the crude metal from its ore? Means here three methods are there. How can we get the metals of high reactive metals? Okay, how can we get the moderate reactive elements? How can we get the water low reactive elements? Then you have to take one example. Metals of high reactive element, then you have to take sodium is one example here. Okay, moderate reactive element, then you have to take zinc is the one of the element. Here low reactive element, then you have to take the water mercury, Hg is the one of the example for the water low reactive elements. Here, suppose metals of high reactive elements, how can we extract the high reactive elements from its ore? By the process of electrolysis. Okay. Then next one, how can we get the moderate reactive elements from its ore? By the carbon reduction. Next one, how can we get the low reactive elements from its ore? That is self-reduction or heating. You have to remember only one thing. Okay, extraction of crude metal from its ore. Here three processes are there: extraction of high reactive elements, extraction of moderate reactive elements, extraction of low reactive elements. How can we get the high reactive elements from its ore? Means by the process of electrolysis. How can we get the moderate reactive elements from its metals? That is from its ore. That is nothing but what? Carbon reduction. How can we get the low reactive elements from its ore? Means the process that is said to be what? Self-reduction or self-reduction. This is also said to be what? Heating. Self-reduction or means here self-reduction means here low reactive metals. Okay, extraction of low reactive metals from the water its ore by the process of self-reduction. Yes. Now one by one we are going to see that one. Electrolysis. First we are going to get the high reactive elements from the its ore. The process of this one, the high reactive metal, the ore which is in the form of halides and as well as oxides. Okay, high reactive elements, those are in the form of halides as well as oxides. Now how can we get the high reactive elements? Okay, how can we get the high reactive elements from its ore? Okay, the process is electrolysis. Now we are going to see about the electrolysis. Means what we are doing here means electrolysis from this process. Now we are going to get a metal, high reactive metal from its ore. Here suppose this is nothing but, you can consider this is nothing but water, one beaker is there. Okay, here then we need to take molten NaCl. What is the meaning of molten? Molten is nothing but it is one type of like paste. Okay, here two rods are there now. First one is graphite. This is considered as graphite. This is said to be steel rod is there. Okay, this can be act as anode. Okay, this can be act as cathode. Okay, both terminals. This is said to be positive. Okay, this is said to be negative terminal. Both are connected to the what? One battery. Both are connected to the what? One battery like this. Then what happened after some time? Here, this is said to be what? Molten NaCl. Sodium chloride is there inside. Then after connected to the battery, I will switch on the battery. What happened? Here, electrolysis. First one is what is the definition for electrolysis? Electrolysis is a process in which here, with the help of electrical energy, then we can decompose the one compound into 2 or 3 parts. Here, which is the compound here? NaCl. What we are doing here means we are just to divide the NaCl into, just we have to break the NaCl into what? Na plus as well as what? Minus Cl minus. Like this. After some time, whenever the current passes through this circuit, what happened means here Na plus Cl at a cathode. This is said to be what? Cathode. Okay, here cations are formed here. Cation is nothing but what? Positive. Like this. What happened at cathode? At a cathode. Here Na is there, Na plus sodium ion, which will loses the one electron. Okay, and which will change this into what? Na. Okay, Na means here. Then we got the metal or not? Yes, that metal is deposited on the cathode. Deposited on the what? Cathode. Very simple experiment this one, which will give the information about the how can we extract, how can we get the high reactive metal from its ore. Means this is a process. Electrolysis is a process in which what happened? Electrical energy that can be breaks the one compound into 2 or 3 parts. NaCl is there, NaCl that can be decomposed into Na plus and as well as what? Cl minus. At cathode, Cl minus Na plus is formed. Okay, means now we got the Na metal or not? Yes, we got the metal like this. This is one process to get the water, the high reactive metal. Okay, next one come to the water. If how can we get the moderate reactive elements? Okay, then we have to take one example for each one. High reactive element, then we have to take Na. Moderate reactive elements Lead and zinc, and low reactive element that is nothing but what? Mercury. Based on that only we are going to see the problems. Here carbon, yes, here moderate reactive element zinc is there. Okay, that zinc that may be in the form moderate reactive element, that may be in the form of carbonates as well as what? Sulfides. Carbonates as well as what? Sulfides. Here carbonate is there. Yes, zinc, we have to take zinc, and means zinc carbonate is there. Next one is what? Zinc sulfide is there. Zinc sulfide is there. Yes, first we have to take only zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate. Here limited supply of air. Then what happened? Zinc carbonate is there. Then we are applying what? Limited supply of air. This can be, okay, this can be converted into ZnO, zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide is released. Means just we are taking the water zinc carbonate ore, then we are supplying the water limited of oxygenate to the zinc carbonate, then it will be converted into zinc oxide as well as what? Carbon dioxide. Means here oxides are formed. Here, okay, the conversion of zinc carbonates, into, okay, oxides with the presence of limited supply of air, that process name is said to be calcination. Calcination. This is the important question. Calcination. What is the calcination? They will ask in the examination point of view. Define the calcination. Means just you have to write down in shortcut way. What is the calcination? Means calcination can be defined as the carbonates of metals that can be converted into what? Oxides of metals in the presence of limited supply of air. That is nothing but what? Oxygen. That process name is said to be what? Calcination. That one. Okay, that one completed. Next come to the what? Sulfides are there. Zinc sulfide. Okay, zinc sulfide is combined with what? Oxygen gas. Okay, here supply of excess of air. This can be converted into what? Zinc oxide. Okay, next one is what? Sulfur dioxide. Here what we have to do is here, this is nothing but calcination. Here zinc sulfide is there. Just we are supplying the what? Excess of air. Then the sulfide is converted into what? Oxides. Okay. This process name is said to be roasting. This process name is said to be what? This is also important question. What? Define the roasting. They will ask in the examination point of view. Then the sulfides of the metals converted into oxides of metal. with the presence of excess of air. Here calcination limited supply of air is there. Here what? Supply of excess of air. That is said to be what? Roasting. Roasting can be defined as sulfides of the metals that can be converted into oxides of the metal with the presence of what? Excess of air, that can be defined as the what? Roasting. Okay. You need to, in the examination, you need to write a definition as well as what? This chemical formula also you need to write. Okay. This is about the what? Roasting and calcination completed. Then calcination and roasting completed. Then the which one new product is found, that is said to be what? Zinc oxide. Yes, in both calcination zinc oxide is found, in roasting also zinc oxide is found. Yes, this zinc oxide is undergoes with a self carbon reduction. Means C is nothing but what? Charcoal. C is nothing but what? Charcoal. Zinc oxide, that is combines with the what? Carbon to produces the zinc metal as well as what? Carbon monoxide. Then here we got the what? Zinc metal or not? Yes. This zinc metal is which will belongs to what? Moderate reactive elements or not? Yes. Means how can we get the moderate reactive elements from its ores? Means these are the process. How many steps are involved in this one? 3 steps. Calcination and roasting. Next one is what? Undergoes with a what? Carbon reduction. That's why I am saying here. Here extraction of crude metals from its moderate reactive elements means this process which will undergo a carbon reduction. Means here what happened? ZNO means here the oxygen is lost or not here? Yes, the loss of oxygen is said to be what? Reduction. Okay, the loss of oxygen, that is said to be what? Reduction. Means here in this way we get the what? Metal from its crude ore of the what? Second metal. Next one that is nothing but what? Third one. How can we get the low reactive? How can we get the low reactive metal from its ore? Okay. Then we have to take what here? Low reactive. What is the example for this one? Then we have to take Hg is nothing but what? Mercury is there. Low reactive. Here two types of the oxides as well as what? Next one is what? Sulfides are there. Oxides as well as what? Sulfide. Then you have to take oxide is nothing but what? HgO. Mercury oxide is there. Then here in the low reactive elements, these are okay automatically goes in a what? A self reduction reaction. Means Hg plus O. Self reduction is nothing but what? Which will lose in the here oxygen atom or not? Yes. Directly oxides are there, low reactive elements. Then they will go about self reduction reaction like this. Then the Hg is found or not? Yes. Hg is nothing but what? Low reactive element. This is the one way to get the what? Low reactive metals from its crude metal. Next one is what? Sulfides. Yes, HGS, mercury sulfide. HGS is there. In this sulfide, HGS is combines with what? Oxygen to produce the what? HgO, mercuric oxide as well as what? Sulfur dioxide. Like this. HG. Now again this HgO is there, mercury oxide. That will undergo a reduction reaction. Hg plus O like this. Again we got the what? Hg metal or not? Yes. Means here how can we get the metals of high reactive, moderate reactive, low reactive? Means these are the process belongs to what? By the electrolysis process, then we may get the high reactive metal from its ore. Okay. By the process of carbon reduction, we get the what? Moderate reactive elements from its ore. Okay. By the sulfur reduction reaction, we may get the what? Low reactive elements from its ore. These are the important factors about the what? Extraction of metals from its ore. Then we have to do. If you are able to remember this diagram, you may write any kind of the questions are given in the examination. Then you need to write very easy. Okay. You have to remember this one only. Moderate metals, high reactive, moderate, low reactive. Next one, what are the halides, oxides, carbonates, sulfates, calcination, roasting, low reactive, like that. You have to remember only this diagram. Then you are able to write all answers for such kind of the questions. This is about the what? Extraction of metals from its ore.